freaking fix. Oh, fuck you! You just blew my... Oh, what?
Oh, sorry, mate. So where did you get this microwave at?
I don't know, your mum?
What are we gonna do about the dollar money we lost?
I don't know, I lost all my damn money! Thanks to that stupid phone call!
I don't scam him, prank call him, get him back!
Hello, what's up?
Shoot, what? Why wasn't he at the party when your boy gang the other day?
I don't know. We forgot about him.
Alright, come on.
Ooh, what's this?
Oh, God, shade
Oh,
get him out of here.
Out of here! You freaking nerds!
Alright, let's call that guy and scam him.
Alright, let me,
I'm kind of a bad influence, but whoever cares.
Alright, I'll hide over there.
Alright.
You test out the freaking microwave, huh?
Yeah. Well, this is actually quite long. This is a neat microwave. It's made by Play at Home with lots of fun. What kind of company is that?
Okay, I got the phone ready.
You calling him? You need to call him. Oh, good.
Got the phone ready.
Good. You're calling him. Good. Let's see what happens. Oh.
Yes. We want our money back.
Okay. Okay, so what do you want? How can I help you?
We want our money back. We lost like $1,000.
We got $1 million in our bank.
$1,000 of food?
Yes!
Then we can sell it.
Okay, but you need to reserve a table first.
What? On a freaking table?
But can't we have the money? We don't need it. $1 million.
But you need to reserve the table first.
Okay, first of all, it's night, and why is your restaurant is empty?
Well, tables are full because maybe Jesus is coming.
What the?
What the? Hey, what the hell? Why the hell did you just freaking curse?
I don't know,
you. Did you curse?
Oh, maybe Jesus is coming.
Yo, you son of a...
Stop cursing.
Yeah, you know what to do, you know what? You son of a...
No. All tables are full now, and we cannot help you.
Shut up, you! Okay, I'll put this in the damn microwave, huh?
Oh no, what?
Oh, not me!
Your Toro got caught! Animal fly!
Ah!
I'll get you out! I'll get you out!
Oh.
Get out! Oh, he's always... How did the phone survive?
I don't know.
Alright, hang up. We can't do this.
Huh?
What are you calling for?
What are you going for? Your mom, you son of a... Well, guess what, you? And you... I will... You up, you son of a... You... Oh, you son of a... Piece of...
Because maybe Jesus is coming.
No, shut up, you son of... Shut the... Up, you...
Put him in. Put him in.
No! My damn phone!
Put him in. We can't hear him now.
Stop in the damn door!
No, I'm holding it.
Jam, what you have done? Gonna drop the damn milk!
Oh, God.
Ah! No! I saved it for you! Okay, oh my God! Ah!
I think you hang up.
No, we cannot help you. We cannot help you.
Your mom can't help you. What the?
Say this is a
wrong with
robbery.
you?
Say this is a robbery. This is a robbery. Give us
Hey,
money.
shut up!
No, but baby Jesus is coming.
Who cares about baby Jesus? Who cares about baby Jesus?
Okay.
No, baby Jesus is very good.
Hey, I don't give a... You son of a... And your...
No. You're making me very angry now.
Hey.
I cannot help you at all.
Why you sound angry?
Don't go no more. And never call me again. Cause baby Jesus is sorry.
Yeah, you can scream, but yeah, scream like a girl.
He's a male.
I don't give a fuck.
Get in.
Well, I'm not getting the damn thing in.
Get him. Not get in. Get
Hello!
in.
Hello! Hello!
He's giving us the silent treatment.
Oh, hands up. Hands the frick up.
Oh, no, mate, what are you doing?
No, not me! Not me! Ah! Oh! Oh! What the? It's going on there, you. And, Ah!